Another way to modify objects is to use the grips or grip, modify using grips. So if you select an object, you'll see like a line has a middle grip and has the end grips on the end point. If I left click on that end grip, you can see that I can drag it by holding my left mouse button down, or I don't have to really hold it down. I just left click to grab it, makes it hot, and then I can left click again and it moves it, moves that vertex or that point. If you pick the middle one, you can see it's going to move that entire line segment. And then if I pick the upper one, you can see I can move and grip at it there. Now, if you, let's go over to this circle. On a circle, you've got a middle grip, and that lets you move the object. And then you've got the quadrant grips that let you stretch it out. Kind of same thing with this polyline is I can grab this grip and move it. It's actually looks like a, not a closed polygon, but like this one here. If I move this, right, it's moving those objects. Now you can also do, while you're doing that grip, like if I pick this line here, you'll notice that I can change the base point. I can copy, exit, or undo. So if I hit C for copy, it's actually going to make a copy of that line segment as I click around and move the object. Now these all become individual objects, right? It made a copy of it at each one. So that's a copy, that's a copy, that's a copy. But it only moved that one line. So, but there's, that line continues all the way down. So depending on what object you select, you have different grips that you can either move, stretch, or scale the object. And if you right click, you'll see that you've got all those commands like move, copy, select, and so on. You can also deselect all.